Welcome back. You are now looking at acx.com. acx.com is a way for you to be able to turn your content into an audiobook, and it's another way for you to be able to promote your content. Now, if you already have an account, you can log into your account using your Amazon ID. Once you've logged in, Amazon will search for results based on your name. It'll come up with the books that it thinks are yours. And what you can do then is you can click the link that says, "This is my book." Now, there are two things that you can consider. One is you can have someone narrate and produce your audiobook, or you can produce the audio yourself and you can upload it to ACX. Now, because reading audio is a time-consuming process, we are going to look at the narration process. So when you agree to the contract, what you're agreeing to is all in plain language on the right-hand side. Basically, you're giving ACX the right to look for producers and narrators on your behalf. At the same time, you're asserting that you have the rights to work with the content in this book. And once you've read and agree, you're going to click the "You've read" statement, and then you're going to click Agree and Continue. Now, required, you're going to need to write in your name, the copyright years, and then the audio copyright owner. You'll then need to categorize your book as fiction or nonfiction. You'll determine the best category, and then you'll determine what your ideal narrator's voice should be. Any additional comments you'll write in this area. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to upload an audition script so that the people who are going to be auditioning will read something and you can make an assessment as to whether or not that's the person that you want to work with. Now, it could be that you already have a narrated file in your personal computer. If that's the case, you'll then click Continue. You'll then determine what kind of rights you own, what kind of distribution you want, and then what language your audiobook is written in. You'll then click Continue. Once you've read the audiobook agreement, you can then click Agree and Continue. And you'll write in all the same information that would be required if you were going to have someone narrate, and then you'll click Continue, where you're going to upload your file for the quality check. Once you get to this page, what you'll be doing is you'll be adding in your audio per chapter. So you want to record one chapter at a time and upload one chapter at a time. And when you're ready to add in another chapter or section, and once you've completed one file, you can then move on to the next chapter. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.